family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I want to know how y'all doing. You know, we never ask how y'all doing. In that comment section below, let me know how life's treating you. It's Mental Awareness Month, so I want to check in with everybody and make sure everybody good. That's out the way. Number 2, NBA basketball, baby. The playoffs is here, so you know I'm getting in warm-up mode. Hopefully the Lakers could repeat. But just to run down a couple of things, the Shadow 2.0s came out. I didn't get them because, yes sir, I still own the OGs and they still in DS. So the 2.0s, they're nice. I'm not knocking them, but same color blocking. Mine's still in DS, so that's why I didn't get those. Number 2, the Red Flints. Yeah, as you can see the video, I did cop them, but they went straight to GOAT because, come on, man. 2021, I'm being real with myself, man. I only got 2 feet. It's only but so much sneakers I'm going to wear. And I'm ashamed to say all 3 of these sneakers is DS. Yeah, I know. And last but not least, a couple of dunks dropped on the Sneakers app over the week. I took an L on all of them. Like, winning dunks on Sneakers app is like, it's so hard. You know what? We getting too sad. We getting too sad. Let's break out of this. Bang! The SB Nike Parras. Now, no, this is not a new release, but I seen not one, but 2 images of a new Parra SB Dunk collab coming out for 2021, and that made me think like, I own the originals. Here they go. So, I mean, I never did the review on them, but it's worth a review, guys, man. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. The picture that I seen that's coming out a little later, the 2021 joints, might have these beat. But let's go in deep and let's see how we feel at the end of the video. Let's go. Sneaker Notes. Yes, sir. The Parra Nike SB joints. Now, I remember when these first dropped, the hype was real. I'm talking $600, $700 real. And that's because, you know, when Parra gets together, you know it's going to be colorful, you know it's going to be nice. But in my opinion, I think Parra changed the narrative and just gave us an all-white SB dunk. Off the bat, boom. That's what hit at you off the bat. That nice Parra signature colorful swoosh. And it's in your Chanel bordering at the top, and then the other ones is stitched in. Around here, you got SB and your Parra print and your Parra colors too. That nice blue and that pink, fusion pink. Come around here, boom, the same swoosh with your Chanel look. I think even when they were designing this sneaker, they were like, man, it looks too much of an uptown. So that's why they gave us the mini swoosh in the front right here of the toe box. The tongue, you already know it's classic SB, so you got a fat pillow tongue there. And I was one of the guys too that was like, man, the inside of the shoe should have been way more on the outside of the shoe. Because when you think of Parra, this is what you think of. Like, you think of this colorfulness. So they gave us an all-white one, and it turned a lot of people off. But man, to me, it's a clean shoe. And if you know, if you watch the channel, you know I can't really do white sneakers, man. But these were clean, man, so I had to get them. I should have actually showed y'all the right shoe first so y'all could see that. They did add the shoestrings to kind of help the whiteness out. So definitely when I do rock these, I'm going with these shoelaces because it's just too much white in this doggone sneaker. So this is the right side, and the right side says Parra, opposed to the left side having the SB. So also, a couple days ago I was at Kith after I discovered that I forgot that I owned the Nike Parra Dunks. And they had a whole Parra collection. And I was like, yo, this is crazy. Like, this like was a sign from the man above, man. So I decided to just buy one shirt to solidify that I will unds this sneaker this month. So yeah, it's just a nice Parra shirt. I think this one was called the Musical Tee. I'm not sure. I know it was like it was two of them that I was deciding. This one is called the Can't Hardly Stand It Tee. But the Musical Tee and this one was like one of the two that I know I was walking out of the store with. And yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about the match. Well, of course it matched, but let me know what y'all think about the shirt and how the fit will look when I put this together. Yeah, family, so I don't want to hold y'all too long, man. Just a quick video on the Nike SB Parras. I never did the review, and I just, like I told y'all, recently found out that I had these, man. Because, you know, Dunks wasn't popping, but when they popped, I brought, like, so many at one time. Matter of fact, let me show y'all these. Yeah, so on my left, you already know, the Travis Scott joints. These sneakers so hard, man. Right here, the Street Hawker joints. I think I showed those in the video. And these here is the corn on the carbs. Nah, they call these the crawfish joints. So like SB is back, and I think they're here to stay this time, man. Back to the Parras. So pull a design up again out of the leak we saw of the ones that's coming in 2021, and I like the ones coming out in 2021 better. I feel like those should have been the first ones that ever came out, and then they could have threw us the all white joints, you know, since they wanted to be settled. In the comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about the 2021 Parra SBs that's coming out. Let me know if y'all anxious or y'all gonna cop. But let me know what y'all feel about these, man. Like, it's something about an OG, even though I think those ones look better. It's something about having an OG in your collection that makes you feel a little better. You know what I mean? Again, I don't want to hold y'all too long. Thanks for watching. Y'all don't know how much it feels. Appreciate it to be watched, man. We put a lot of time into these videos, man. Thanks again, man. To the next video, everybody.